So now for our $100 trailer with flat tires, Woodland Mills. It's the HMI122. You can see right there. Amazing company. Had a problem at the beginning of the year with the winch, and they went ahead and sent me one, even though it was past warranty. This is what I mean by amazing. Then they sent me this amazing cover. I don't know if the customer service gal Cheryl knew I was doing all this to come outside with it, more so in the elements, but I mean, it's not snowing now, so I'm not worried about it, and I won't be working in the snow on it anyhow. So what I did is I put 8 6,500-pound jacks, trailer jacks. I welded on. Got a brand new 2-inch tongue with a receiver. As you can see, this is this one here. So it made it as a cinch to bring it out here. I hook it up to the tractor and position it wherever I want. This used to be a camper trailer. So if I have 8 of those, that's almost 50,000 pounds each. Each of them can hold, all of them could hold 6,500 each, so whatever 8 is. So it's an old trailer frame from like a camper trailer, I think a 24-footer all the way up, because what I'm going to end up doing is building I'm going to build a gantry, then also a storage room that's lockable on the front. So I can store my PV hook and all that, but I want to do a gantry crane in case it's something too heavy and too big. But shout out to Woodland Mills for fixing the winch by sending me a replacement, which is actually a 5-minute fix, and this amazing cover, and thank you, Miss Cheryl, for that. Greatly appreciate it. It is a thick one, well worth it. Definitely buy one if you want. If you want a cover for your mill. I mean, I was just going to do a simple tarp, but you guys sent me this.